Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily change mouse pointer size and color. So what you want to do is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. You want to go on the Windows next to the search, right click here, click settings. Now when you're going to be here, let's just wait until the video loads. And you want to simply right click here, Bluetooth and devices. Then you would see mouse here. And then you want to scroll down below and you're going to see mouse pointer. And here you can simply change size, change color, and really play around with things as much as you want. So this is pretty much it, how we can do it. Another thing what you can do is, again, let's go back here and let's have it as default. You can go additional mouse settings and you can add like color for here like I have right now. So yep, have a great day and goodbye guys. See ya.